This is Debbie Curtin for Azusa Pacific University, Anatomy and Physiology 240, video assignment number 1, how to label a digital slide. Begin by opening your Lab Assistant and then opening PowerPoint. Going back to Lab Assistant, highlight the image that you plan on labeling. Right-click and copy. Go to PowerPoint, right-click, and paste. Your image should now appear on your PowerPoint. Enlarge it so you can see what it is you plan on labeling. Go to the toolbar and move your cursor, click on the text box, move your cursor to Inside Pick, tap on that. You should now be able to type what you would like to label. We're going to begin by labeling the acidophil cell. We're typing the name into the text box. Now we want to create a line behind our name. So we're going to go to the dash key and create the line. We want to make this a little bit darker. So you're going to go up to the toolbar and you're going to hit bold. Also on this slide, it's a little hard to see the black. So we're going to go back up to our toolbar and we're going to change the color. And we're going to change this color to blue. All right, you need to remember to save as you go so that you don't lose all of your work. You're going to place your cursor over the text box until you see 4 arrows. When those 4 arrows appear, double tap. Hold it down. And now you can place the text box where you want it. So this is where you're going to move it to point at the acidophil cell. All right, we have successfully labeled that. Let's label the basophil cell. We use the same technique. You create your text box, type in what it is you plan on labeling, once it's typed in, we're going to place our cursor over the text. We'll see the 4 arrows. We'll create our dash, our line. And again, you can move it to where you want it to be. Lastly, we are going to label the nucleus of the pitulocyte using exactly the same technique. If you haven't remembered to save, at this point you might want to go up and save in case there's a distraction and you lose your place. Once you have everything in place where you want it and you've found the correct spot to place all of your terms, you'll want to go back to your lab report. Once in the lab report, I need you to double click on the picture and select Cut. This will remove that picture, allowing a place for you to now put your labeled photo in. Return to the PowerPoint. Double click on your labeled slide. Choose Copy. Return to the Lab Assistant. Place your cursor in the box. Double click and choose Paste. And we have successfully labeled our first slide. From here, you would continue with each slide until the assignment was completed. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.